Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about your life. What is going to happen? What is you have? What is the advice for your life? Maybe your love life. Yes. Today's reading is about your love life. What is the advice for your love life? What is going to happen in your love life? Okay. Now, those who are not interested in this situation, in this reading, you can leave, and who are interested, and also this is not for all of you. If you think that this is not for you, then you also can leave, and those who think that this is for them, you can continue. What is going on for my particular person who needs to listen this situation? What is going towards them? Yes, you have to be brave in this situation. You have to be brave. uh, God say that this situation is good for you. In your love life, this situation is going to extend or going moving forward. You can continue this thing, and there's something hiding over here. But whatever this thing is, this is going to be relieved with the passage of time. Okay, what else? What's for my person, my particular person who wants to meet them, who needs to listen this situation, this reading? Okay, okay. Yes. Uh, you are juggling over some thing in your love life. Maybe two person. You have two persons in your life, and uh, you are deciding over them. Who is good to you? What I have to do? What is good for me? Yes, I think maybe your loyal person, who is best for you, is coming towards you, or this is the help from higher energies, higher from universe, that is coming towards you, some kind of advice for you, what you have to do. And yes, with this star card, your wishes are going to be happen. Your wishes are going to be fulfilled in this light of in this starlight. You are pouring very much in this situation. You are giving so much to this situation, and now you're with this flowers growing, your hope is going to be fulfilled. Yes, you are going to have them. Whoever you want, this is going to be happen. Your wishes are going to become true. And with this justice card, something justice, something right is going to happen towards you. You deserve that thing. That is going to happen with you. With this wheel of fortune, this wheel, I think this is a wheel of fortune, and your fortune is with you at this time, and you are going to have the person, the good person in your life. What else? What else? Yes, you are thinking about someone. You are thinking about someone. Maybe you have some person in your life already, or you have two persons in your life. One is near to you, or your relatives telling you that this is good for you, and you are thinking about someone else. You are thinking about someone else. You want someone else. You have that person in your hand, but you're thinking about someone else, and you think you are not going to have that person. You are not be able to go towards them. You are stuck over here. There is no way to have them. to be with them. What else? What is going to happen with them in their love life? Okay, with Sun card, yes, definitely. You are going to succeed in this situation. Okay, but you in your love life, you are going to succeed. You are going to have that person, and maybe for for some of you, only little bit of you, you have to go through a situation, circle, that you have to marry someone else first, and then you are going towards that person, or maybe someone is entering in your life, not married, not engagement, but still just someone talking about them, and you are telling them that no, I want someone else. Yes, this is the justice towards you. You are going to have that person. um, um, what is going to happen when you have that person? Yes, you are going to win them, and you are going to tell them that how many love you have in your heart for them, how much you love them, and you are going to find your path towards them. You are going to win them. That is the main card for you, that you are going to win them. This is the main card for you. God has tell you that go towards them, they are good for you. Okay, what is the path towards them? What do you have to do if you want to go towards them? Okay. You have to mature. You have to be mature, and you have to collect more money, more power, more wisdom, mm, uh, more help from others, your followers. Those persons that say that this person is good for you. Yes, you have to make some friends for you to go towards them, and begin a new love life with them. You had a lot of love for them, that this love is going to overflow. Yes, your heart is going to overflow with their love. You love them very much, but maybe you have to go through some kind of disaster. Something is breaking over here. What else? Something else for them. Maybe with this card and that disaster tower card, maybe some of you have to marry first with someone else, and then you are going towards that person. What else? But you are definitely, you are going to have that person. Okay, with that thing you are not going to enjoy, you are not happy with that situation. Definitely this situation is going to happen. Maybe your parents are not happy with you, they are going to break with you, they are going to let you throw you out from their home. This person is falling, they are thrown you out from their home. They don't want you anymore. They say that if you don't marry that person, that we are telling you that we are going to leave you. That's why you are not happy, as much happy as you have to be with this person, because they are leaving you. I am getting it. I am thinking someone is telling me that this is going to be happen in this situation. Someone is not happy with this situation. Maybe your father, some person, they are not happy with this situation. But this is going to be happen very soon. Very, very soon. This is, they are coming towards you, or you are going towards them. You have to you have to complete that circle towards them. That is going happening very soon. Some kind of message is coming towards you from them. They are going to give you some kind of message. Do that, do this, come towards me, or just say hi, hello to you. And you know that the way they talk to you, the way they look at you, they want you. Yes, definitely. They are also in love with you. They are, and definitely they are coming towards you, or you are going towards them. Very fast, very soon. This is a fast moving card, and they are coming towards you. They love you as well as much as you love them. They have their feet in the water. The emotions, the water is emotions. They are dipping, they are uh, yes, you are in their emotions. They love you, but they are hiding this love from you from a long time. They are hiding this love from you. They are a queen of love. They are if this is a lady, or maybe if they are lady or man, they are hiding this thing from you. They love you, they want you, but they know that your father or mother, your parents are not happy with them. They want someone else, because they they have the pentacle and they are giving you the pentacle. They want that pentacle, they are giving you the pentacle, and you are not happy with this pentacle. You want the other person, you want them. Yes, that is the situation. That's why they are closing their mouth. They are not talking to you, but still they are talking to you. They are there for you. uh, yes, you know that person, and I think that you, yes, definitely you love them, that you are know that person. Okay, this is a good thing, that you are, that they love you, and you are you love them also. But what is going to happen between both of you, or you are going to marry soon, or what? Something in this situation. Retreat. You are going to, because your parents or someone else are going to leave you, and they leave you both alone, and now you are going towards a jungle, or you are going to make your own home. Yes, you are going to make your own home, uh, separately is from others. uh, yes, they both had hands in their hands, the other one's hands in their hands. They are looking towards each other, they are loving each other. Maybe they are this man is a little bit older. I think you are going to get them in your older age, not in the youngest age, young one. You are going, because you are having that person also, and that's why you are going to have them in the long time, or in your 30 40 40 50 30 40 50 at this stage. And then you are happy with each other, you are looking towards each other, you are smiling, this lady is smiling, and they are leaving the city and going towards their own happiness. Yes, this is beautiful. Yes, you are going to have them, and in which age you are, you, or you know that that this person is coming towards you in your older age. Okay, this is the reading for you for today. I hope you like it. If this resonates you, please tell me, and please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.